Eugene Cadito Tilla. I'm a marine engineering student. Get ready to learn about communication, language, and dialect. I will interview someone from our campus, University of Cebu, Lapu-Lapu in Mandawi. I will ask 3 questions about language, dialect, and communication. We have our guest for today's video. What is your name, Miss?
I am Rain.
Rain. So first question, what is language?
Language is a system for communicating thoughts and ideas using words, sounds, and rules. It's how we share meaning and connect with others.
Okay, thank you. Second question, is language and dialect are the same or not?
A language is a broad communication system, and a dialect is regional or social variation within a language. They are related but not the same.
Okay, thank you, Miss. Now, for the last question. What is the difference between language and communication?
Communication is broader and language is a tool.
Okay, that's all. Thank you so much, Miss Rain, for taking the time to share your insights with us today. Thank you.